Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to listen music from your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So today I'll be using, for example, application named Spotify. Now, as a first step, we would need to connect to any Bluetooth speaker or wireless headphones. You can do it on your watch and also on your phone, because mostly your watch mirrors your phone, which are they connected to. For example, if I open Bluetooth on my phone, you'd be able to see that I am connected to these AirPods Max. Now, if I will open Bluetooth on my watch and open the Bluetooth, you'd be able to see the same information that these watches are connected to AirPods Max. Now, let me show you how to listen music. So let's forget for the phone for a while, and now let me show you how to listen music from your Apple Watch. Click on this digital crown and scroll down until you will see application Spotify. Click on it, and right here you'd be able to see this playback menu on which you can pause the song, play it again, skip to the next one, or put on the previous one. Add this song to your like songs, choose and manage the playback queue, and also choose from which device you wanna listen the song. If you will swipe to the left, you'd be able to see your library with your like songs, any playlist or artist. And if you swipe 2 times right, you'd be able to see home, in which will show some recommended audio and artists that you may be interested in. And the best thing about this Spotify application is that your phone immediately mirrors to your watch and backwards too. For example, if I will play a song on my phone, I can pause it on my watch, I can skip it on my phone and put on the previous one on my watch. These 2 applications are absolutely the same, and that means you can easily manage the playback on your watch without needing to pull out your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to listen music on your Apple Watch Series 9. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.